Difference between yeast infection and bacterial vaginosis. Oftentimes, you guys confuse the two because they are similar, but actually there is a lot of difference between these two infections. And I'll be telling you how you can differentiate or how you can spot them whenever you start having their symptoms. Now, what are the causes? Yeast infection is caused by overgrowth, candida fungus, that's overgrowth of the candida. And one of these candida overgrowth is candida albicans. That is the main cause of yeast infection. Now, when it comes to bacterial vaginosis, this is an imbalance of the bacteria in the vagina. Now, there is a decrease in the good bacteria and overgrowth of the harmful bacteria in the vagina. That is when you have bacterial vaginosis. Now, when it comes to the discharge, how you can differentiate between yeast and BV. Yeast infection has a very thick, white cutter cheese discharge, and it usually comes with no odor. You see a very thick cutter or clumpy cutter cheese. That is when you know you have yeast. But when it comes to yeast is odorless. Don't forget. Now, when it comes to bacterial vaginosis is very thin. Like, it's not thick, it's very thin, and it's usually off-white or gray in color, and it comes with a fishy smell. The smell is very unpleasant. So that's the difference. Yeast infection has no smell and is very thick, while bacterial vaginosis is very thin, not thick, and comes with fishy smell. And this fishy smell, when it comes to bacterial vaginosis, is very obvious during or after intercourse, while yeast infection has little or no smell at all. Now, yeast infection comes with itchiness, burning sensation, swelling. Like, you are going to feel very uncomfortable down there, and it doesn't come with smell. While BV, bacterial vaginosis, comes with only two symptoms, that is discharge and odor. That is bacterial vaginosis. Now, what is the risk factor between yeast infection and bacterial vaginosis? Yeast infection is caused, or the risk factors is caused by pregnancy, diabetes, your diet, intake of sugary food. This is what causes pregnancy too. This is what causes yeast infection. Now, when it comes to bacterial vaginosis, the main cause is Dolchin, multiple expatina or new expatinas, and it can also be caused by smoking, IUD. Now, these are the main causes of bacterial vaginosis. Now, when it comes to medication or treatment for yeast infection and bacterial vaginosis, you can use antifungal medications for yeast, while you use antibiotics for BV. Now, if you have any question, you can ask under this comment section. Thanks for watching.